Hi guys, and last time I was recording and it shut off because I can only record but 10 minutes apparently on this, but that's okay. So I was playing Hangman and I like this. I really do. It's fun. I got like a couple right. Okay, we're gonna get off Minecraft server, but I don't know if I should record that because it's very laggy. So I'm sorry if I can't. Anyway, let's do free. Yes. A B I O. Orange, huh? Watch it be orange. Okay, we won that round. I'm only gonna play this for 3 minutes, okay? A, there's gotta be an A in there. No? E. Put an S in there. P. P-E-A-R-E. I don't know. U. R. Lemon. Oh. Okay. Keep. B. Nothing is banana. P. R. Let's try R. Ra. I don't know what it could be. S? Okay, it's not S. Oh, gotta be. U? M. Oh my god, I feel like a failure. Tell me if you guys knew what some of these were. I don't know what it could be. What? Screw my life. I'm just gonna keep clicking things. P-L. Oh. P. P-L. What's a fruit that's place. Oh crap, I gotta go. Let me try. Oh. Well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed my little man thing. Rate, comment, subscribe, please, and yeah, bye. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. I'm going to be playing this game, and I'm going to be talking about my first video because this is my first video. And yes, I don't like to make. I just don't even mind what I just like. I don't know. I'm talking to my friend Emily, who is the second winner of this channel. We are girl gamers, and we upload a lot of game video stuff and updates. So if you like that, subscribe, like, and comment, and we will definitely do some more. Now we need a lot of support, obviously. Now I'm just going to be playing this game because Minecraft's being very laggy, and yes. I don't know, I just started this. What? I think I've played this before, but it's very tricky-ish. Okay, I know how to do this, obviously. This here. Okay. How do I do this? Okay, start. I think I played this before. I have, yes. This is fun. Yeah. I totally just messed up. So my favorite color is electric blue. And, you know. No, I don't want that. Okay, I don't want that. Color. Because, I don't know. And I like to play Minecraft and Amnesia. I'm gonna try and get Amnesia and Skyrim and stuff. And what the heck is wrong with this? Oh, I think I know what I have to do. No! Turn! And my mouse is being really weird. So I'll just be playing this, I guess. Turn. Turn. Okay, it won't turn now. Nice. I know why it won't turn. Turn, please? Please? No? Okay, I'm just gonna be a derp. See? That's the only way, because it won't turn. Okay, apparently it can... Oh, okay, it's gonna have to go like this, and then like this. I don't know, it's just like keeps changing. This isn't gonna work. I'm not really that good at this game, okay? Tell you the truth. Right now. See, I don't know how you're supposed to turn these. No sponsors, by the way. My God. I can't do this. Oh, this is hysterical. Okay, obviously this goes here. Oh my God. Like, oh my God. Oh, that's how you turn it. Okay, okay, I found it. I found out how. Okay, guys, I can do this now. Oh yeah, that was a fail. Okay, yeah. Let's play for about 2 more minutes. I don't know. Okay, but I was being a derp and I didn't want to watch it because I thought it was all cool and everything. Actually, no. Turn it. I've played this before, I just forgot. Played it in a long time. You know what I mean? Let's try this. Do I retry it or something? Okay. Okay, I know what I have to do then. Clear. Let me try everything. I don't know about it. Let me pick this up. Thing. Okay, let's just try this. It's probably not gonna work. Not good. I will after, I don't know, but guys, this is the Girl Gamer channel, and I just welcome you guys to the channel, even though Emily probably did, or Cat Kitty, whatever. She probably did, and, yeah. By the way, my name's Caitlin. I hate my name, so don't call me by it. I mean, most people don't. They just call me Emmy or Cat or whatever. But,